Welcome to Creating All Things Joy. We have another video for you. We are going to make iron lawn chairs. Now these chairs I purchased from Hobby Lobby. You can see it was $4.49. You got the little table and you got the two chairs. And they're in 1/12 scale. The issue is that I want the table to be a little bigger and I want to create more chairs. So we went and got some materials and we're going to show you how to do that. And these are the supplies that you're going to need. We're going to make 2 extra chairs and we're going to make the table larger. And so we're going to start with using just a piece of pasteboard for the chair seat in the back. So I'm going to use a cereal box. We're going to need a piece of foam board for the table. I have some 18 gauge wire. I have scissors, paintbrush. So when we finish painting it, we're going to cover it with gloss decoupage. We're going to use red cardinal acrylic paint so it can match the other chairs. You're going to need some wire cutters. I need an X-Acto knife, a piece of paper to do a pattern of the seat shape, and a pencil. And we're going to need a glue gun.